Did you know that 42% of startups fail simply because there's no real market need? Imagine spending months, or even years, building a product that nobody actually wants. In the startup world, a no-market need scenario occurs when a product or service fails to solve a real problem or fulfill a genuine need for potential customers. The result? Limited interest, poor sales, and sometimes, complete failure. In this video, we're going to dive into exactly how you can validate your startup idea, avoid the no-market need trap, and make sure people are excited about what you're planning to build. And if that sounds useful, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Validation isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a lifesaver for your startup. Skipping it exposes you to wasted time, lost money, and the heartbreak of seeing a product nobody wants. You could pour months into development, only to discover your idea doesn't resonate, or worse, damage your brand's reputation before you even get started. Take Juicero for example. They designed a sleek, Wi-Fi-connected juicer that could press prepackaged juice packs, aiming to make fresh, healthy juice effortless at home. They raised over $120 million, but they missed one crucial question: do people actually need this? Many consumers discovered they could simply squeeze the packs by hand, and demand never matched expectations, leading to the company's closure. Contrast that with Dropbox. Before writing a single line of code, the founders created a simple explainer video showing how their service would work. That video went viral, generating tens of thousands of signups and proving there was real demand. With validation in hand, they could focus on building a product people truly wanted. Here are 5 simple steps to validate whether your business concept is worth pursuing. Start by writing down the goals of your business and what you hope to achieve. This helps you see any assumptions you might be making and clarify your vision. Ask yourself, what value does my product provide? Who is my target audience? How is my product different from what's already out there? Answering these questions will make your idea clearer, highlight assumptions you need to test, and help you explain why your product matters. Before you dive in, get a sense of how big your target market is and how much of it your business could realistically capture. This helps you see if your idea is worth pursuing. Check sales data, see who the competitors are, and figure out where your product fits. This will give you a clear picture of your potential market and the share you could realistically own. A great way to test if people actually want your product is to check what they're searching for online. When someone needs a product or solution, they usually turn to search engines. Even small search numbers can prove there's interest and support your idea. It's a simple way to see if your market is ready for your product. One of the best ways to see if your idea has real potential is to talk to the people who might buy it. This could be through short surveys, casual conversations, or even focus groups. Ask them about their needs, preferences, and the products they currently use. Go back to the assumptions you wrote down in step 1 and turn them into questions for your interviews. Listen carefully and take notes. Sometimes the feedback will show that your idea needs tweaking. Use what you learn to improve your product and test again, making your idea stronger before you launch. Once you've confirmed there's a place for your product in the market, it's time to put it in front of real users, even in a small way. Start with alpha testing, where your team tries out the product internally to fix bugs and smooth out any issues. Then move to beta testing, letting a small group of real customers try it and give feedback. Testing helps you see if your product is easy to use, solves the right problem, and meets customer needs. If there are problems, this is your chance to fix them before a full launch, so your product can succeed in the market. Validating your idea isn't about slowing down, it's about making sure you're building something people actually want. When you take the time to understand your market, listen to real users, and test your product early, you give your startup the best possible chance to succeed. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.